Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken dry masala. First, let's marinate our chicken. Take about 1.5 pounds of chicken pieces and combine them with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add half a cup of plain yogurt. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb all the wonderful flavors. Next, we'll prepare the aromatic base for our masala. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan or kadaï over medium heat. Add 2 large onions, finely chopped, and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is crucial for a rich flavor. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and cook for another 2 minutes until fragrant, ensuring it doesn't burn. Now it's time to build the flavor profile. To the sautéed onions, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook these spices for about 1 minute until aromatic. Then, add your marinated chicken to the pan. Mix well, cover the pan, and let it cook on medium-low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and cooked through. Finally, let's finish our delicious chicken dry masala. Remove the lid and increase the heat to medium-high. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently, allowing the excess moisture to evaporate and the masala to thicken to a dry consistency. This step concentrates the flavors beautifully. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. Your easy and flavorful chicken dry masala is now ready to be served hot with rice or bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.